Good morning, dear class. Yesterday we have finished the explanation of electric bell. Today we are going to start the precautions to be taken during working with electricity. That is, while working with electricity, what points you need to keep in mind to stay safe. First is ensure that the appliances are properly earthed. That means the appliance you're working with, the fan, the light, the CFL bulb, anything that you're working with should be properly earthed so that the electricity could not be consumed by you and it should directly be passed to the ground. Second is never touch switches with wet hands. As you know that water is a good conductor of electricity, so you may catch electric current. That's why we should never touch switches with wet hands. Next is check the safety fuse and see it is standardized. Now you should always check the safety fuse and see that it should be standardized. It should be of proper quality. Next is do not try to repair electric circuits or equipment without proper knowledge. If you do not have proper knowledge of electrical circuit or equipment, you should never touch it. It is not something to play with. You might get electric shock or current. Next is glossary. The glossary, this chapter is completed here. I will explain the glossary to you. First is battery. Battery is combination of two or more cells. Earlier you have studied cell. That was the single cell is known as electric cell and combination of cells is known as battery. Cell is a device that is used to generate electricity. CFL is known as compact fluorescent lamp that reduces the wastage of electricity. CFL, you know, CFL bulbs that are used in home, it is compact fluorescent lamp that reduces wastage of electricity. Next is circuit. Circuit is a closed and continuous path for the flow of current. A closed and continuous path which allow current to pass through it is known as circuit. Next is electromagnets. Electromagnet is magnet made by wrapping a wire around a metal core. Metal, the magnet that is you have observed in electromagnet, when a wire is wrapped around a metal core, then that becomes an electromagnet. Next is filament. Filament is the thin coiled wire in a bulb. Next is fuse. Fuse is a safety device that prevents damage and chances of fire. Fuse you might have noticed in your homes. Nichrome, an alloy of nickel and chromium. Nichrome, you know, it is an alloy, and alloy is a mixture of nickel and chromium. It is used in bulbs. Solenoid, a cylindrical coil of current carrying wire. That is, cylindrical coil in which current flows through it is known as solenoid. Last is switch. Switch is the device which helps in controlling the flow of current. You can on and off the switch by your choice, and the current will be controlled by you. This was the glossary. I hope you have understood.